Okay, for this week's book of the week, I have a book that is just so much fun. I stumbled across it in an independent bookstore and have not been able to get enough of it since. It is called A Year in the Castle, and it is illustrated by Nikola Kucharska, and it is basically a wordless book that is a cutaway of a castle. So here you're going to see January. Every spread is a different month of the year. And you see all the different rooms in the castle, and as the months progress, you get to basically see a story unfold. One of my favorite panels is this bottom left panel. It begins with a frog reading down here, and misfortunes happen. I'll just say it that way. You also have Count Mislov down here, who is the treasurer, and he's counting up the king's coins, and all kinds of problems happen as the year progresses. And it's just hilarious. So much fun. At the beginning of the book, you can see a character map that shows you who's who. And there's a lot of storytelling to be had here. I think your kids will pore over this book like they might with the Where's Waldo, except it's better. And you could also use it for story prompts if you wanted. They could probably come up with some stories based out of here. So much fun. Highly recommend. Just get this one for your home collection because your kids are not going to want to send it back to the library.